What up, though, YouTube? It's your girl Coco, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So, this was just gonna be a short video. I had just got off of work and I've been expecting for this package to come. Just kind of wanted to show y'all what this was. So, first, let me tell you, my glasses is broken, okay? These. They broke at work, and so like they broke. I had to take a staple at work and put it, can you see that? I had to take a staple and put it in my glasses to hold them so I can wear them for the rest of the day. All because I've been waiting on this package to come, which is my glasses that I just had got right before this the pandemic happened and stuff. I went to the eye doctor to get some new glasses, and I had spent like $300 on these boys and everything. Of course, my phone wanna fall. Anyway, the eye doctor's been closed because, you know, everything been closed and everything because of what's been going on. Ooh, look at my hair. Jesus. You could tell I just been at work. It's all flat. Anyway, so I've been waiting on this to come in the mail. These are my new glasses. Trying to get the freaking box open. All right. They send you this big box, and look what's in there. Just this. Here go my glasses. Oh, some lens cleaner. I'm kind of nervous because I picked them out, but dang. They look like my old glasses. Except they Gucci's. Yeah. Them with some Ray-Bans. These some Gucci glasses. Oh, shit. Wait, they fit. Ooh, these fit good. These actually fit. I need my eyebrows done so bad. So what you think? I didn't even know that they kind of looked at like these. I was trying to get something different, but I guess I didn't. How they look, y'all? Drop a comment down below. They look the same, I know. I know, they look the same. They Gucci, though. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Woohoo! We getting there too, y'all, family. Our family is growing. Okay? Love you guys. I just got off work. Y'all know what time it is. And see you in my next video.